Hey guys, wanna share with you one incredible app. For now, in my opinion, you don't need to buy any old vintage or VHS cam because you can just download the Dazz cam app. So you can use so many effects and it's really easy. It just straight for your iPhone. You can use any lens, any type of footage, even if you have already your videos, you can transfer to this app, make the effect, and everything will works fine. Also, like, you can make video just straight from here, from the app, and you'll see like real shaking, like from the old cameras. If you want more stable videos, you'll use just your standard basic camera app and then transfer to this, and it's really easy, really cheap. It's like $5 or $6, I don't know, like depends like of your region, but in my region it's about $6 per year, and nobody of course pay me for that advertisement. But anyway, I'm using this app maybe around 3 years and I'm really happy. So you can see it looks really great, and you even don't need like to use some professional software like Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve to find the effects or to build like by yourself this effect. You just use your like iPhone and it works fine. So guys, let me know what you think about that.